I start with the greatest name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Honorable Chief Guest and teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to present a speech on importance of education. Education plays a very important role to everyone's life. Education is the basic human right. It provides us good career, good lifestyle, and good status in the society. It makes us self-confident and provide us good status in the society and makes us independent. Education also helps us to be a growth, boost economic growth, eradicate the poverty, remove the corruption, bring the good governance, and promote the women and children right. It is true that educated people make an educated society, and educated societies make an educated nation. We must also remember that education not only means to getting bookish knowledge, but it involves you having knowledge that will help you to be a better human being. At last, I would like to end my speech with the quote of Nelson Mandela: "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Thank you.